Here's the Black Hills, and what are we doing this morning, Elijah?
Going to see the dinosaur park.
Seeing the dinosaur park. The boys got up early around 6 o'clock. Elijah, wrong way.
Oh, wrong.
We're going up this way. The boys got up early, like they do, and we're on the third floor of an apartment, and it was 6 o'clock, and they were, you know, just being boys, walking around, making a little bit of noise, and I didn't want to wake up the people underneath us with our footsteps, and I wanted for my parents and my husband to sleep in a little bit, so we came to the dinosaur park. So they're doing a little bit of road construction. Usually there's just a staircase that goes directly to the park, but this morning we're doing a little hike up the hill, but it's so pretty, huh?
Yeah.
And it smells good.
Yeah.
So that's what we're doing this morning. I'm gonna let you go because we've got a little drop off here, and I'm holding a baby's hand. He likes to see all these things. It's a really, really pretty view. So highly recommend it, even just for the views. Just to see around the city. It would probably be pretty at night. I don't know if you'd want to do this particular little walk up here, but the park closes at 10, so yeah, you'd be able to be up here and see the city lights, and I think that'd be a pretty view. So I'm gonna hang out with my kids, and I'll show you the park a little bit once we get up. This is where there's construction, and there's usually stairs that go down there. What about it?
I'm a prehistoric human.
Oh yeah, a caveman.
I'm on a triceratops. Hey guys, we're glad you're with us, guys, today. And yeah, we're at the dinosaur park. I'm gonna go on that one over there.
With your brothers, and I'll grab your things.
And then there's those. All right, and then there's one down there, but I don't know about it. If we're able to go with there. But come on. Do you want me to control this one? You have to control its tail right here. I'm controlling its tail. Whoa.
Noah, you see where it's barricaded, and you know not to go past that, right? Okay.
Yeah, that was fun. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we gotta hunt down this mammoth. Just pretend there's a mammoth. Alright, I didn't know there's any. But yeah, let's fight this mammoth. I'm gonna get on it. Smash it. Oh, whoa. Whoo. Now I could eat dinner. A spear tooth, just because they have spikes on their backs. That's like metal plates. I think they call them metal plates. All right, I did not see this dinosaur here, but yes. Oh wait, let's get on this. So you get on this. Oh, ride it. I'm gonna get onto it. I'm gonna get on this one. Wait, I'm gonna get on that. Alright, look at the view though. Our hotel's like over there. That way. Like over there. But yeah, we're here. Look at the good view. Alright, I'm gonna ride a Stegosaurus spear. Oh, I'm just showing them on it. Whee! I'm riding it. Oh yeah, and guys, I'm here too. Oh, there's MJ right there. Yeah, and guys, I'm playing my own game.
Yeah, we're playing our own game of dinosaurs.
It's called Dinosaur.
Hey, it's a velociraptor. Smash it. Whoop. Yep. That's
Why is it recording? It's just a view.
okay.
Overlooks Purdue.
You ride that big thing. I ride this big thing. Let me get on first. I'll have to get. Oh, all right. Come and fight me. Let's go. Run into him. Oh, he's bleeding in the stomach pretty bad.
Bite him!
Okay, 5 minutes.
Bite him!
Get him.
5 minutes. Get out.
All right.
Bite him!
Whoa, whoa.
Run! Charge!
Hey, look at the T-Rex. Bye-bye, T-Rex. Sting in the face. He died. Now it's just you and me.
That's not
Spear you. Are you going to spear me? Spear me. All right. I got away. I defeated him. Now, I'm on this. Stay back. How would I get up there? All right. Well, let's get on it. Whoa. Let's try again. You could tame him if you'd be careful enough. Wha-ching! I tamed it. I tamed this dinosaur. Let's get on him.
Shoot!
Hey, you guys want to go to a drive-thru for breakfast?
Yeah?
I guess.
Here. Come on.
Put them right there.
Okay, fine. Like this.
Oh. Whoops. All right.
Better?
There's a baby MJ. Whee! All right, let's go. Oh, big brachiosaurus. Oh no. Run. Run. It's a pteranodon. Run. You don't see anything, but you could pretend there's a pteranodon there. Run. Pteranodon. Go hide behind the rock. Go hide behind the rock. Velociraptor down there. Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Here we go, guys.
They're fighting! Velociraptor and Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Okay.
We gotta sneak away. Be quiet. No, be quiet. Quiet. There's a brachiosaurus.
We'll be fast.
Oh no, there's a brachiosaurus. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Tyrannosaurus Rex. A velociraptor.
Oh, much more careful. They're still fighting down there. There's Velociraptor right there that got flung. I'll go back to battling. Whoa, whoa. There's another Tyrannosaurus Rex right there. We gotta keep going. This is me right here. Mr. Peter Elijahson. All right. That's just my nickname for this game.
I'm John Jonathan.
Yeah, Noah's John Jonerson for his name in the game. Oh my gosh, Pteranodons. It's a Pteranodon pack. Fling. Velociraptors.
Don't get caught.
Oh, dude, that's woolly mammoth. Pretend whatever you think of. There's a woolly mammoth right there. You could think of whatever you think. But what's right here? I say velociraptors.
No, saber-tooth guy.
Whoa, run! Whoa, run! Ooh, there's the Brachiosaurus up there. There's another 2 Brachiosauruses on the broken street. Whoa. Good. We've got away. Oh, we got. We're still in Tyrannosaurus Islands. We're on Dino Islands. There's 3 islands. We're on the 3rd one right now. Oh my gosh. Pteranodon's eating some fish. Hey, there's little horses from prehistoric times right here. They're just hiding away from the terror bird. The terror bird. Whew. They're going after little horses. No, those are so cute. Darn it. We gotta continue. Well, that's the end of this video. Hope you liked it. And yeah, there's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Run.
Go short for attack.
Who were safe?
Because of my shark.
Because of the whale?
Yeah.
Whew. It's actually, that is actually a Duncolossus.
This guy. He's awesome.
My guy. All right. Let's continue. Let's get out of this terrored place.
What? GrassRaptor.
Ooh, that's a velociraptor up there.
Even there's a
Brachiosaurus.
Yeah.
Oh, Brachiosaurus down there.
Yeah, do you see that?
Brachiosaurus. Okay, we finished Island 3. Now, goodbye, guys.